Good day, everyone. Today I have come up with a story of a young boy. See, at times when you observe children, we can learn from them many things: how they care, their innocence, how they share the things with their friends, and um, many things. So, here a boy entered a coffee shop and sat at a table. It was a rush hour in the evening, and the waitress came and asked for the order. He asked, "What is the cost of vanilla strawberry sundae? I need it." The waitress told, "It costs around rupees 50. So the young boy put hands from his pocket out and started counting the currency notes and the coins. He was taking time, and the waitress was impatiently waiting there to take the order. People were waiting for the table, and this boy is taking so much time. So she came back with a glass of water and again stood there for the order. Then the boy asked for, No, I need a chocolate cone. Do you have chocolate cones? I like it." The waitress told, "Yes, we do have. And so what is the cost of that chocolate cone? I need a big chocolate cone. The cost is rupees 35. Then he again counted, he kept everything on the table and counted again, made sure that okay, everything is fine. Then he ordered, "Okay, I'll go for big chocolate cone." So after 5 minutes, she came with the order in a ceramic plate, and boy was taking much time and unwrapping the paper cover of the cone, and very coolly he was sitting without any hurry and enjoying the chocolate cone. Then after that, he put the wrapper in the dustbin and went to the cashier, paid and said thank you, then went from the coffee shop. Waitress was watching all this. She came back to clean up his table so that it can be laid for the next customer. What she saw there was astonishing. Under the ceramic plate, there was rupees 15 neatly folded and kept as a tip for her. She again went till the door for the boy and to tell him thank you. But the boy was not waiting there, he has already left. The waitress felt sorry for being harsh to him, impatient to him, and thanked him in her mind for the tip that was given. Because normally we people go there, have our things, and forget to give the tip, even forget. Sometimes we give the tip but forget to tell them thank you, because we will be either busy with our friends or else we will be busy in our own mobile phone. And see, the moral of the story is that don't underestimate anyone. Don't go by the attire or by the age of the people. Nobody is below you, and don't be harsh to anyone. So thank you.